Today, I'd like to discuss the media of communication. Media is a key player in the communication process. Without media, it's not possible to complete any kind of communication. So, media is a significant and essential element in the communication process. But what is media? Another name of media is channel. Media or channel is the way of transmitting information from the sender to the receiver.
প্রসঙ্গের বৈচিত্র্যতায় আরোসা টেলিভিশন।
There are lots of media in the communication world. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, radio, television, newspapers, magazines, all are the examples of different kinds of media. From the whole thinking and the broader science, communication media can be divided into two types: verbal communication media and non-verbal communication media. Again, verbal communication media are two types: oral communication media and written communication media. Now, the question is, what is a verbal communication media? We know that verbal communication is the exchange of information or messages through written or oral words. Here, the used written or oral words are the verbal communication media. Oral communication is the process of communication in which messages are exchanged or communicated within sender and receiver through the word of mouth. Here, the word of mouth is called oral communication media.
आरो, इतनी रात का है अंधेरे में तुम्हें डर नहीं लगा?
ना, आज मुझे किसी से भी डर नहीं लगता।
बदनामी से भी नहीं?
नहीं, जिस वक्त तुम्हारे पास तुम्हारे साथ होती हो तो बदनामी का भी नहीं। तुम क्या चाहते हो?
तुम्हारी खुशी।
What is a written communication? Simple. Written communication is the process of communication in which messages or information is exchanged or communicated within sender and receiver through a written form. It means all kind of written form for communication is called a written communication media. Nonverbal communication is usually understood as the process of communication which is happened through sending and receiving wordless messages. In this process, different kind of forms are used which are called nonverbal communication media. Facial expression, proximity, silence, eye contact, gesture, touch, all are the examples of nonverbal communication media.